Have you ever noticed how saying, "I'm sorry," can feel like losing power, like admitting defeat? But here's the truth. Real strength isn't found in avoiding accountability. It's found in owning your impact without collapsing into guilt or ego. When you mess up in a relationship, when your words cut too deep, when your silence built distance, or when pride made you blind, the way you apologize determines whether love heals or dies quietly in resentment. Most men make two mistakes. The first is avoidance, pretending nothing happened, hoping time will erase the damage. The second is over-apologizing, begging, pleading, drowning her in words that sound desperate instead of sincere. Neither works, because a true apology isn't about making her feel sorry for you. It's about restoring safety, trust, and respect. Here's what real amends look like. Step 1. Face yourself. Before you reach out to her, sit with your mistake. Don't rush to fix it. Feel it. Understand why it happened. Was it your ego? Fear of rejection? Lack of awareness? Until you name the reason, you'll repeat the same pattern again. Step 2. Take full responsibility. Don't say, "I'm sorry you felt that way." That's a manipulation. Say, "I realize what I did hurt you. It was wrong, and I take full responsibility." No excuses. No justifications. You own your actions like a man. Step 3. Show accountability through change. Words mean nothing if your behavior stays the same. Let her see, not just hear, that you're evolving. If you broke trust, rebuild consistency. If you disrespected her boundaries, respect them without complaint. If you failed to communicate, start showing up with emotional clarity. Step 4. Give her time and space. A genuine apology is an invitation, not a demand. She decides when, or if, she's ready to forgive. Don't chase forgiveness. Earn it. Step 5. Forgive yourself. You can't rebuild connection from shame. You can only rebuild it from awareness and growth. Own your humanity, but don't be imprisoned by your mistakes. Because here's the paradox. When you stop trying to appear perfect and start standing accountable, you become magnetic. A man who can face his flaws without collapsing is rare. A man who repairs without resentment is respected. And a man who learns from the pain he caused becomes unshakable. Apologizing isn't weakness. It's emotional leadership. It's saying, "I care enough to face the damage, and I'm strong enough to repair it." So next time you hurt someone you love, don't run, don't beg. Stand still, look them in the eyes, and speak with calm truth. "I see where I went wrong. I'm sorry, and I'm doing the work to make it right." That's not surrender. That's power, the kind that builds love that lasts.